Namaste everyone. My name is Tanushri. Welcome to this full body mobility flow designed to gently open your bodies and to improve how freely your joints move. This is going to be a beginner friendly practice, perfect for the mornings when your body feels stiff or even when you feel stiff after your workouts. In fact, this is a great practice even to do as a warm up before your workouts. You don't need any props, just you, your mat, your breath, and an intention to move mindfully. With that said, let's begin. We'll begin in child's pose today. Start by coming in child's pose. Bring your big toes to touch each other. Open your knees wide and extend your body in front. Rest your forehead on the mat. We'll just take a couple of breaths, deep breaths here. Allow ourselves to arrive completely on our mat in our body. Take a deep, long inhalation in and exhale it out. Take a deep, long inhalation in and exhale it out. Soften your body. One more time. A deep, long inhalation in and exhale it out. Let your hips soften. Take your shoulder blades away from your ears. Your jaw relaxed. Facial muscles relaxed. Allow yourself to arrive on your mat. Your breath and body soft. If your mind has started to wander, just bring it back to your breath, to your mat without any judgment whatsoever. Take a deep, long inhalation in and exhale it out, long and slow. When you're ready, rise up into tabletop. Wrist below your shoulders, knees below your hips. We'll take a few rounds of cat and cow, Marjariasana or Bitalasana. Inhale, drop your belly down, look up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch, lift and expand. Exhale to really round your shoulders, chin to the chest. Last one. Inhale, arch, lift and expand. Exhale to round. Come back to a neutral spine. We'll now move our hips. Inhale, take your left leg back and up. Exhale, bring it in from the side and in. Make big circles with your left leg first. Take the left foot up, side and in. Up, side and in. Last one up, side and in. We'll now change the direction. We'll first take our left knee to the left side, back and in. Left, back and in. Left, back, and in. Two more. Left, back, and in. Last one. Left, back, and in, and slowly release the left knee down. We'll repeat the same thing on the right side. I'm just going to change my side. Okay, we'll begin from taking our right foot back and up. Bring it in from the side. Breathe normally. Make as big circles with your hip as you can. Last one in this direction. And in. This time when it comes in, change the direction. Now, right knee out to the right side, back and in. Continue, side, back and in. Side, back and in. Last one, side, back and in. Release. Great. Now we'll do thread the needle. Inhale, take your right arm up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, thread your right arm under the left side. Drop the right shoulder as close to the floor as you can and extend the left arm in front of you. Stay here. Continue to breathe normally. This is a great pose to open up your mid back and your shoulders. When you're ready, bring your left palm back to neutral. Press into your left palm. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, bring it to neutral. We'll repeat the same thing on the left side. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, thread your left arm under the right side. Drop your left shoulder down and extend the right arm in front of you. Once again, bring your awareness to the sensations you feel in the body. Rest your awareness on your left shoulder. Feel that stretch on the left shoulder. When you're ready, bring your right palm to neutral. Press into your right palm. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, bring it down. Great. From this tabletop, we'll now move into down dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Move your palms one step ahead of you. Spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes in and lift your hips up into down dog. If you wish to, walk your feet one step in. Great to open your hamstrings, your calf muscles. If the stretch in your legs feel too deep, bend the knee. Your hips and your tailbone reach up towards the ceiling. Shoulder blades relaxed. Take deep breaths. When you're ready, as you inhale, step your right foot between your palms and drop your left knee down. Inhale here. As you exhale, press your left thigh forward, coming into a low lunge or Anjaneya Asana. Bring your palms up onto your right knee and take deep breaths here. Keep your spine long, shoulder blades relaxed. Great to open up your hips and your hip flexors. Now, from here, drop your hands down again. Shift your left hip back over your left knee and straighten your right leg in front. Pull the right toes towards you. Coming into Ardha Hanuman Asana or half split. Feel that stretch on your right hamstring. Take deep breaths. If the stretch in your hamstring is too deep, you can bend the right knee. And if you're unable to reach your mat, take 2 blocks below your palms or take 2 thick books below your palms. Make this pose easy and comfortable for you. On your next inhalation, rebend the right knee. Lift the left knee off the ground and take your right leg back into down dog. While you're here, become aware of any residual stretch or residual heat that you may feel in your right leg. Okay, on your next inhalation, take your left foot between your palms and drop your right knee down. Press your right thigh forward, low lunge or Anjaneya Asana. You can ride up on your left knee. Keep your spine long. Feel that stretch on your right hip flexor. Feel that opening in the right hip. Take deep breaths. Now when you're ready, drop your palms down on the mat. Shift your right hip back. Extend the left leg straight in front of you and pull the left toes towards you. Fold deeper towards the left knee if you can. Feel that stretch on your left hamstring at the back of your left leg. Keep your facial muscles soft. If the stretch feels too deep, bend the left knee. When you're ready, rebend the left knee, lift the right knee off the ground and take your left leg back into down dog. Great. Notice how you feel in both your legs now. When you're ready, inhale, look between your palms. As you exhale, step or walk with both your feet between your palms, coming into a full forward fold. Keep your spine long, reach towards the floor. You don't need to touch the floor or your toes, just reach towards the floor. Body weight slightly towards your toes. When you're ready, take your feet out to mat width distance. Toes out, heels in. Create a V shape with your feet. Inhale, look up. Keep your spine long. As you exhale, sit into your Malasana. Bring your elbows to touch on the inner edges of the knee and press your palms in Namaste. Take deep breath, spine long. Hold it here. Now, we'll move between these two poses. So you can place your palms down on the mat or hold your big toes. Inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, take your hips up, fold forward. Inhale, sit down into Malasana. Exhale, hips up into forward fold. Inhale, sit into Malasana. Exhale, hips up into forward fold. We'll do this 2 more times. Inhale, sit into Malasana. Exhale, forward fold. Last one. Inhale, sit into Malasana. exhale into forward fold and come back into Malasana. This time, bring your palms in front of you. Now, as you inhale, sweep your right palm up towards the ceiling. Open your right shoulder. Reach for the ceiling with your right palm. As you exhale, bring it down. Inhale, sweep your left palm up. Exhale, down. We'll do it one more time on each side. Inhale, sweep your right arm up. You can turn your neck towards the right palm. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, sweep your left palm up. Exhale, bring it down. And slowly release your hips on your mat. Come into an easy cross-legged position. Notice how you feel in your legs. There might be some residual heat or stretch that you may continue to feel. Become aware of that. Notice how you feel. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Just take a few deep breaths before we end the session. If your heart rate is up, try to exhale with control. Let there be a gentle smile on your face if it feels comfortable. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Namaste everyone, my name is Tanushree. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. I will see you soon on the mat next time.